Growing Impact discusses landscape restoration in Africa.
Environmental degradation is really a problem in Africa, and particularly Malawi. Most of the natural resources that remains on the continent is being degraded.
Every single species group, like small mammals, birds, and other like large mammals, they will be under the impacts of climate warming. So some species can move around, they can find shelters in different places, but habitat degradation kind of remove those shelters.
So there is a whole history with what is now packaged as forest and landscape restoration, which is an approach to restore and reclaim degraded ecosystems toward bringing back the ecological functionalities that are important for both human well-being but also ecological well-being.
Listen and learn more at iee.psu.edu/podcast.